Wadi Bani Khalid. Wadis means fresh water meets mountains. Really nice temperature to swim in as well, even in the summer months. After a short walk in a fantastic environment, you will arrive at a group of natural pools of green water, perfect for bathing. Remember to be careful not to slipper on the rocks and to be properly dressed for bathing. Especially women, bikinis not allowed. The place is excellent location for weekend picnics and international tourists. The location provide calm and wonderful nature scenic places. Wonderful nature pedicure provided by pond fishes. Must visit place in Oman. The nature beauty not exploited by development.